In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create story YouTube video using InVideo. By the end, you'll know exactly how to go from a blank canvas to a complete YouTube-ready story video using InVideo AI without touching a traditional editor. First, open InVideo AI and start a new project. You can begin from scratch, which gives you full control, or choose a ready-made workflow designed for a specific outcome, like a YouTube explainer. Picking a workflow is helpful if you want pacing and structure that already fit YouTube norms, while starting from scratch is great when you have a very specific creative direction. Either way, you're entering a guided flow that keeps everything streamlined. Next, input your story. In the prompt box, write a detailed description of what you want to create. Describe the plot, the characters, the setting, the tone, and the audience. For example, instead of simply saying animated story about a cat going to Moscow, give it more direction. Describe the cat's personality, why the journey matters, the emotional beats you want to hit, and whether you want a light, whimsical feel or something more adventurous. The clearer your prompt, the more accurately the AI will shape the script and visuals. If there are lines you definitely want included, add them here so the generated script reflects your voice. Now specify production details so the output fits your publishing plan. Set your video length, such as 3 to 5 minutes for a short narrative on YouTube. Choose YouTube as the target platform so the aspect ratio and formatting are optimized for widescreen viewing. Then define your visual style. You can name a general style like Pixar-inspired animation, claymation, or watercolor, or describe stylistic traits such as bright, playful colors, soft lighting, or a vintage film look. Consistency is key, so pick one direction and stick with it throughout your prompt. When you're ready, generate the video. InVideo AI will build the entire package for you. It writes a complete script, selects or creates matching stock and AI-driven visuals for each scene, adds narration using an AI voice or your own cloned voice if you've set that up, and layers in background music and captions. This automated pass aligns the narration with the visuals and syncs captions for accessibility and engagement. You'll see your story take shape as a cohesive, YouTube-ready piece without manual editing. That's all it takes to create a story YouTube video using InVideo. Use detailed prompts, choose the right workflow and style, and let the AI assemble the script, media, narration, music, and captions into a polished final video.